Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Deepsearch AI, a people search and social lookup tool that's been getting a lot of attention lately. We'll go over what it is, how it works, the pros, the cons, and whether or not it's actually worth your time and money. So let's jump right in. Deepsearch AI is marketed as an AI-powered search assistant that helps you find people online using just their name, phone number, email address, or even a username. Sounds impressive, right? The app claims to scan multiple platforms to show you a person's social media profiles, background information, and other public data all in one place. It's available for both Android and iPhone, and you can download it directly from the Play Store or the App Store. Now, on the surface, the idea is super convenient. Instead of searching through different websites or social media platforms one by one, you just enter a name and let Deepsearch AI do the work. Some users say it's easy to use and the interface is clean. You open the app, type what you're looking for, and it gives you results in seconds. When it works, it's a real time saver. But here's where things start to fall apart. A lot of users have been complaining that Deepsearch AI doesn't always deliver accurate results. In fact, many people report that the app shows irrelevant information or no results at all, even when searching for themselves. That's a big red flag. And to make matters worse, the app keeps pushing users to upgrade to the paid Pro version almost immediately. The free version is extremely limited. In some cases, you can't even perform a basic search without hitting a paywall. Another thing to keep in mind is privacy. Because Deepsearch AI is a people finder tool, you should always be cautious about how your personal data is being used. It's not always clear where the app gets its information from or how it handles the data it collects. As for pricing, Deepsearch AI works on a subscription model. You can start with a trial, but once that's over, you'll have to pay to continue using most features. If you're considering subscribing, make sure you test the app first to see if it actually works for you. So what's the final verdict? Deepsearch AI can be a handy tool in theory, but in reality, it's hit or miss. If you're someone who regularly needs to find public information or verify social profiles, it might be worth checking out. But don't expect miracles. If you're only curious or need it once in a while, you're probably better off using free search engines or social media platforms directly. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you've tried Deepsearch AI yourself, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Did it work for you, or was it a waste of time? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.